What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the 240 we're going to be putting some front speakers into it. I did put a stereo in it, but I really didn't film it just because the wiring, it was a mess. There was no like stock OEM like connectors, but if you guys want me to do a video of that or explain what wires go to what, leave it in the comments below. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the door panel off, and there's a screw here, and then just a bunch of plastic clips. So let's get that going. Alright, so now that we got the door card off, basically what you want to do is there's 4 screws right here. They're Phillips head. You just want to take these off, and then basically the speaker will come out. As you can tell, the speaker has definitely seen its days. It's definitely blown, and you know, every time I work on this car, there's always a surprise somewhere. But yeah, you know, so far I'm loving this car. Just figuring out what the heck this guy did to it. So enough of that. Let's get back into putting the speakers in. Alright, so I got the speaker off, and as you can tell, the connector's not there. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna make a connector for the speakers that I'm putting in. But yeah, as you can tell, it's definitely seen better days, and I just went with the Sony's. You know, just honestly better sound and not raggedy like this. So let me get these out of the box and I will show you what's next. Alright, so now that I got the wire that came with the speakers all set, what I did was I just used some pigtails, and basically all you're going to do is you're going to connect these. Let me do this. Put you down for a sec. Alright. So you always got to make sure positive goes with positive and negative goes with negative. And usually they have like a stripe. It all depends on the color. So now that we have that, we just take the speaker and then we just hook it up. Alright, so now that we have this done, we're just going to hide the wires in here. And then basically, all we're going to do is, I'm going to have to make new holes. But once I get the holes done and everything, I will get back with you guys. Alright, so I got everything buttoned up, as you can tell. They're good to go. I just have to, it came with a little mounting bracket that I'm going to have to kind of trim a little bit of, because it's not fitting in with where the 240 stuff is. Maybe I could take the whole thing out and maybe I could see what I could play with there. But that's it for this video. All I had to really do is put this back on, and always make sure when you're doing like radio stuff or like any installation stuff like this, make sure it works before you put everything back together, because then you're gonna have to put the door card back together. It's just a hassle. So hopefully you guys like this short little video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.